Alright, Marcus, we're here. We're going to carve this pumpkin out here in the weld shop. We're going to show you how a welder lights up the pumpkin, right?
Mm-hmm.
You want to point out the design you just made on the pumpkin? So we drew this out with a Sharpie, and we're getting ready to carve this pumpkin.
Power tools.
We're going to use power tools, right?
Yep.
Alright. You want to say anything about your design? You wanted it to look mean, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's start carving this thing. You ready?
Yep.
Alright, here we go. Alright, Marcus, so we used basically a jigsaw and a power drill to get the face on this thing. How did it turn out?
Good.
Alright, now we gotta light this thing up. How are we gonna light it up?
We're gonna put a flashlight in there. It's like a light that's kind of like a circle, but like they put a light on it.
You're talking about a flashlight or a candle?
Yeah, a candle.
No. We're gonna use a welder. Does that sound good?
No.
You don't want to use a welder?
Oh, I want to put a light inside here.
We're gonna use the welder to put the light in it, and it's gonna be pretty sweet. And you're gonna do the welding, okay?
Okay.
You can handle that, right? You don't have a welder, right?
Yeah.
All right. Let's get the welder set up, and we'll light this baby up. All right, you ready to make your pumpkin light up?
Yes.
All right. Get ready. Get set. Go.
Stay in the house.
Okay.
Is that the proper way to light up a pumpkin?
Yes.
All right. You want to go actually put a candle in it and put it out in front of the house?
What?
You want to go put a candle in it and put it out in front of the house?
Yes.
All right.
What?
That's how a welder's son lights up a pumpkin, all right?
All right.
All right. Let's go light it up with a candle, I guess.